Welcome back to Nailed It. Today I have the Mighty Jungle Buttercream collection from Light Elegance, so stay tuned and I'll show you all the colors. Okay, you guys, just in case you're not familiar with Light Elegance, this is their buttercream collection that they came out this fall. So it comes with 6 colors, as you guys can see here, me taking them out. And in the box, or I should say on the bottom of the box, it comes with instructions on how to apply them, just in case you guys haven't seen that before. So these are all of the 6 colors that we have in the collection. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch these for you all today. So the first color we have is Wanna Be My Tarzan. I just think that this collection is super funny with the names, 1, and then 2, I really think that this is such a grown woman collection. Like, I was like, man, Light Elegance they're sending me grown woman vibes. Like, I love the maturity of this collection. So this color is kind of like a soft, I don't know how to explain it, like a soft nude. It's really, really faint, but it almost looks like white, but it's not white. And then On the Prowl, so this one is another red. You know, we don't really need reds here, but I thought it went good with the collection. And also I thought it was perfect for fall as well too. I think Light Elegance really nailed their fall collections and their fall colors. Like, to me, I think it's absolutely beautiful. I'm definitely here for it. And like I was saying earlier, this collection definitely gave me grown woman vibes. Like, this is going to be for all of your mature clients. This is going to be for people that just want to live their best lives. It's going to be for someone that just loves fall colors. Like, definitely, if you don't like fall colors, you're definitely not going to like this collection at all, but I think it's perfect. So this next color we have here, it's Let's Monkey Around. And as you guys can see, it's this beautiful color. It's kind of like a brown color, but it has like a mauve-y hint to it because it has like purple undertones with it. It's very beautiful, very unique. I don't have anything like this in my collection. The buttercreams go on so smooth. You guys already know I'm in love with Light Elegance buttercreams. Like, look at it. Look at that one coat application. Like, it's just one coat and done. It's so beautiful, so vibrant, it's so nice, and I just love these fall colors. So the next one we have is Show Me Your Spots, and this one is like a nice deep plum purple. Like, it's so beautiful. Oh my goodness, I don't even know if I'm explaining it right, but it's so pretty, you guys. And I feel like it's like one of those purples that look like it has like kind of a red undertone to it, but when you swatch it, it definitely has like a blue undertone to it. It's really beautiful and unique. I feel like it kind of reminded me of Bougie Babe, but it's definitely different than that. It's less purple. And then the next color is what I've been waiting for from Light Elegance, is Hear Me Roar. And oh my goodness, you guys, this is the perfect fall yellow. Like, it's so nice. It kind of reminds me of Sunbum, but it's not as bright as Sunbum, and it's just so beautiful, you guys. Like, oh my gosh, it was definitely missing in this year's fall collection with like their main colors. So I'm definitely happy to see it in the buttercreams. Like, yes, we need more yellows in the buttercreams. I'm so here for it. Look at how beautiful this is. Like, it's just the perfect yellow. It's like the perfect butterscotch yellow. Like, oh, it's so nice. I love it. So pretty. Definitely get that one if you guys don't get the whole collection. And then this next one, Jane of the Jungle, you guys. Like, this one, I don't know if it compares to G.I. Jane on Light Elegance collection because I don't have that color, but this is perfect. It's like the perfect fall green. Like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna keep saying that because these last 2 colors are perfect. Hear Me Roar and Jane of the Jungle are 2 staples. Like, you guys have to pick those up. They're perfect for the fall season. Like, absolutely perfect. Definitely recommend them out of this whole collection. You definitely need those 2 staple colors. So now we have a giveaway. So not only did I buy the collection for myself, but I bought this collection for one of you guys because you guys are always so awesome, rocking with me and just being so nice and so positive. So the giveaway rules, you just have to be subscribed to my channel. You have to share this video on one of your social media platforms and then comment why you love Light Elegance or why you want to try Light Elegance, and also leave your Instagram, like a way for me to get a hold of you, your Facebook, your Twitter, whatever the case may have you. You guys don't forget to enter into this amazing giveaway. This giveaway is going to be open for 2 weeks, and I'm not going to put the giveaway winner in the next video. It's going to be on like a community post. So 2 weeks from now, the winner will be, I will tell you guys who the winner is. And so check back, look for that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you're going to want to subscribe to my channel so you can enter in that giveaway. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.